Hey there, Team Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, guys. We got another tailgate rig rolling out shop today. This one's going to Scott in South Carolina. He lives right on the coast. And pretty bad rig here. I want y'all to check it out. We'll start up front here. So we got our enclosed storage box. This is where we got your propane tank set up in here. Some additional dry storage in here as well. Up next, we've got a little cooler storage area, which as you can see, we've got them set up with some cherry wood in here. Now, I did do a fold down front on this as well, so that'll fold down. Makes it real easy to load some coolers in there, put your heavier stuff up there, fold the front back up, lock it down, you're good to go. Now, we've got our dual propane burner set up here. So these are two 10-inch Cajun burners underneath here, individually regulated. And then we got our fold down griddle top. That's 1/4-inch steel griddle top, so super heavy duty. We got a stainless steel logo there on the side. I actually got one of those on each side. Now these are our stainless steel prep tables. So this will fold out. You can prep on it, serve off of it. You got a big storage area underneath here. Great for folding tables, whatever else you may need to store in there. Speaking of stainless steel, we got a stainless steel shelf on top of the fender there. Of course, our TMG Pits logo. Speaking of fenders, guys, these are some heavy duty custom built fenders. That's not any made in China crap right there. All right, guys, now onto the main portion of the build, the smoker. We've got the Copperhead 52 on here. Open this bad boy up. So we got top and bottom sliding trays in here. This is our reverse flow smoker. So we got removable plates down in here. You can pick them up out, makes it easy to clean up underneath. Got the complimentary fire poker in there, of course. TMG Pits Tell True thermometers. Thermometer eyebrows, that's an add-on there. Come around to the hot box. Now y'all know the deal. This is our 30-inch hot box. 5 sliding trays in here, 1,776 square inches of cook space. Guys, that's just because we love America. All right. Does run completely independent from the smoke chamber, so you may be running at 2 different temperatures at once. Now onto the firebox. This is our standard firebox, all 1/4-inch plate, the whole smoker is. Still got your fire management cradle in there, ash clean out on the bottom. And this actually has a propane assist burner in the firebox. Got the regulator right there for that. Look at that, got a little more wood storage back here, topped with a stainless steel folding shelf. Some more of that good old cherry wood right there, some good stuff. Fold that back down. On the passenger side here, we've got a 48-inch Santa Maria grill. So double door Santa Maria grill here. Raise and lower your cooking grate. These are really fun to cook on. Draws attention for sure. We got the other side of that big storage area. And then up next, we've got a new item right here, fresh built, our 48-inch propane powered grill. So we'll fold this hood up for y'all. You got a really strong round bar grate in there. A little stainless steel lip on the front here. Triple burner, so you can have a couple different heat zones. I've got a drip tray right here that knock that nut off, slide it out, makes it very easy to clean out. And up front, good old Cajun fryer. All right, we got a 6-gallon double basket Cajun fryer regulator right here for it. These fryers are great, guys. Added a spare tire on here as well, guys. You don't want to be on the side of the road without a spare tire. You know, it just makes sense. But get that spare tire on there. So folks, that is Scott's rig. Heading down to South Carolina, say y'all know the deal. If you need a custom rig built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.